if I went to just any website to look at the differences, and actually I did this the other day. I randomly across the country. I went to both Medicare Advantage websites and Medicare supplements. But one of the things I noticed, and tell me if I just saw the wrong stuff, but a lot of the Medicare Advantages, they have these little check boxes of all the things you get, from Medicare Advantage. But what I noticed is next to the checkbox for comparison was original Medicare. And to a consumer, that is really deceiving because in my mind, I say compare Medicare Advantage to original Medicare with a supplement and a Part D policy, all three, and then put those against, because that's what they've done. They've combined all, essentially all of it too. But when I see the check boxes, I don't see all three put next to it. So if I'm a senior and this is not what I do, they're not in the insurance world, they're not in the medical world, could that throw me off? And have you seen similar things?
Oh, absolutely. And especially during the annual open enrollment period, annual election period, and the end of the year, I've seen advertisements which I'm actually surprised are legal because they are so biased,
Yeah.
and miss a big
Right.
picture. And so, yes, your original Medicare, you have Medicare making all the decisions. That doesn't change when you have a supplement.
Right.
Medicare is your primary coverage. With the Medicare Advantage companies, they do tend to compare just to original Medicare without a supplement. And then what they'll do is they'll throw in things like, oh, we're going to give you dental
Dental,
insurance or
vision.
a
Yeah.
free gym membership. Yeah,
Right.
television and Uber rides now.
Right.
And some of them, if you see the Joe Namath commercials, will even say something like, we're gonna pay for part of your Part B. You have to pay for Part B whether you have original Medicare or an
Right.
Advantage plan. And as I say in my videos, and we haven't mentioned this, I have 40 plus videos on
Yeah.
YouTube
Some
that
are
are
really good.
available for education. And that whenever that insurance company is going to offer you something, it will cost you. It's
Right.
somewhere down the line, they're not giving anything away for free. And that's where we get oftentimes, well, they've got a gym membership. Okay, well, what's really going to be the cost to
Right.
you? What are you giving up for it? And in dental plans, it's not really ever dental insurance. It's typically some basic something like free cleaning that'll allow you to, everyone's different, but it's not. It's there to make it look like you're getting more.
Well, what you're saying is the other selling point, just to summarize what you're saying, is often maybe a Medicare Advantage program will compare itself to original Medicare without the supplement and then tell you all like dental, vision, hearing, and a gym membership. I think what we're saying is often those are relatively basic programs that you could probably get on your own for not that. And certainly is that for what you would pay to get that kind of coverage, you have to say, am I willing to, give up the freedom and me and my doctor deciding everything? Is that roughly what we're saying? Because how much would it cost if I wanted to go out and get the average dental, vision? I mean, let's say what gym membership is, what, $20-$40 a month. What would a dental, vision, hearing plan equivalent to what an Advantage program offers? What would that cost me? So I know what that value is.
Mm-hmm. Well, the dental vision that they have, every plan is different.
Right.
And some of them, they have the most basic, they give you cleanings and
Right.
some very, very basic
But
stuff.
let's even take the better ones. What are we talking about? I mean, so let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Like, you're in the insurance world. If I came to you and said, I want a moderate dental, vision, hearing, I mean, is it $1 million a month? Is it $10 a month? What are we talking about?
And again, I hate to be quoted on this because the plan that would be my favorite that covers all of those
Uh-huh.
and is better than anything I've ever seen in
Right.
an Advantage plan typically costs $45 a month.
Okay. Well, I'm going to take you at your word. This is not my area, but let's say it's even 65 a month. So basically, or let's say it's 85 a month. So for that amount of money, if that's what's tipping you over, right? So let's say I go to a Medicare Advantage website and I see the dental, vision, and hearing and the gym membership. Let's say let's say I'm going to let's go 50 to 100 a month, whatever that number is, and you can find out for yourself in your case. But I think people need to know for that amount of money what they're giving up. And if once they do that, say, hey, that $50, $100 is important enough to me that I'm prepared to give up some medical decision between me and my doctor, limit my network, and what have you.